it's been a challenge. I myself having to go through the dialysis treatment because I'm on dialysis treatment for the last 6 years now, 2 times a week. I'm preparing for a kidney transplant. And I can say that my journey is being a kidney advocate and also getting to share my story through platforms like this to inspire and encourage people. One thing that I've come to understand is that sometimes, because I'm a believer, sometimes God takes you through challenges that you'll be saving people from, because that is the only way to create compassion in your heart.
I live with stage 4 breast cancer. So my breast cancer journey started in 2016 when I was 23 years old. So I started speaking up and I started becoming more vocal with my journey. And true to that, I actually realized there are so many people, young people, who are going through, cancer diagnosis and treatment. And again, this diagnosis was very foreign to us in our family because I am the youngest and we don't have any history of any type of cancer. So you can imagine the stigma which came with it. I didn't initially, during the first treatment and throughout the 3 years, I didn't want anybody to know that I had had breast cancer. And oh my God, to know that I had one of my breasts removed, I did not want.
Again, finding meaning, knowing at what point then am I ready to look for a job if it's a job I have lost. And if it's not just a job, what else have I lost and how can I then, probably if it's a routine, get back to a routine so that then I'm being able to deal. I've heard about gratitude. Those are really good ways of helping yourself process some of these things.